So we get loads of questions about what embroidery setup I use in my videos. So come along with me now and I'll show you behind the scenes. So when we do the filming, we use 3 cameras. So we've got this one I'm talking to you on, we've got this one, and we've got this one. So because we've got the 3 camera setup, what I really need is for my embroidery to be nice and still. It doesn't want to wobble on the camera or you won't be able to see what I'm doing. So to achieve that, I'm using 2 versatile table clamps, which are these here, and I'll show you what they look like when they're not on the table. That's a versatile table clamp. Now if you were not filming your work and you were just doing stitching for yourself, you wouldn't need 2. 1 is absolutely fine. I'm just doubling up just to make sure that it really doesn't move for the camera, so 1 is fine. So I'm using the 2. The frames that I'm using, I use a couple of different frames. The one in the clamp at the moment is are called stretcher bars. They look like this, so they come like this. Now you need 2 to make 1 frame, so you get 2 in a pack and you choose the size that you want. You can make the size frame you want. So they come to like that, they come in every inch size, and when you put those together, you slot them together, you get a frame like this. I'll show you this side. This one's been used a bit, so it's got some pinholes in it. So you slot them together and you make a square frame to fit the fabric, and then you just pin it to the frame with pins. I like these because it keeps the fabric really nice and tight on the frame. So these are probably my favourite. The other frame that I use is a hoop. So this is just an ordinary embroidery hoop, readily available in lots of different places. I bind mine as well, just to make the fabric extra tight on there. So sometimes I use hoop, it depends what I'm stitching. Often round designs work quite nicely in a hoop, so I do use both of those in my frame. You can get all of these things from our website, so you can check out our shop over here. We've got the stretcher bars available in lots of different sizes, and the hoops, and the versatile table clamp come in a bag like this. So you can get those from the shop here, and we also have a video just about the table clamp to give you some more information about that, so do pop along and check all of those out.